Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are continuing to make some wonderful Florida cocktails. And today we have some whiskey and bourbon, and we are going to make a whiskey or bourbon milkshake. This is a really fun recipe, a great recipe to serve after dinner as a treat. And now over here, we also have our amazing Florida whiskeys and bourbons. These were all produced in the state. So let's go ahead and start our recipe. We're gonna go ahead and add our good vanilla bean ice cream is going in our blender. Next, we're gonna add about 3 ounces of our favorite Florida bourbon or whiskey. And then we wanna add a couple squirts of some chocolate sauce. Is really gonna give it a good, nice little bit of chocolatey flavor. Then we're just gonna add some of our Florida milk. So once all those things are in the blender, we can go ahead and blend until it's nice and creamy. Let's go ahead and turn on our blender. Okay, this looks really good and we're ready to serve it up. So let's go ahead and get out our mug. I'm gonna take that same chocolate syrup that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna swizzle it, a little sauce around the inside of my mug for some great garnish. Then we're gonna go ahead and pour our milkshake in all the way just about up to the top, but not too much. I have some really wonderful fresh whipped cream that I whipped earlier. It's gonna be a great garnish for this, so I wanna put a nice dollop right on top of our milkshake. And then we've just got a little bit of chocolate bar. We're just gonna shave a little bit of chocolate, then I'm just gonna garnish it with a little Florida strawberry. So there we have it, our Florida bourbon or whiskey milkshake with Florida milk and ice cream and chocolate. What a fun milkshake to make. Now remember, this recipe and many other great recipes are on follow freshfromflorida.com. Don't forget to check out our club, the Fresh from Florida Club, where when you become a member, you have access to all kinds of insider information as well as our wonderful newsletter and lots of chef tips. In the meantime, I am Chef Justin. Remember to keep it fresh and drink responsibly.